Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check the authenticity of Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, check out this tab to check the authenticity of this device. To avoid unnecessary trade fraud, here you can check the main number of your device. Please open the dial application, and then here you can type the following code. Well, after that, the information about your email number will appear here. Well, and then you can copy one of them, and then please enter your browser. And then here you can type email.info. After that, here you can paste your email number, and then click the CAPTCHA confirmation. Okay, after successful, you can click check, and then if your device is authentic, it will load information about your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check the authenticity of Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.